Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you are looking to duplicate that OEM plastic texture on interior vehicle trim, I want to show you this product from SEM. This is the texture coating spray, and this is a really cool material. So this is a spray on flexible material that gives that sort of textured finish to plastic pieces the way that you get it from the factory. So we have been restoring an older vehicle. It is a 93 Dodge Cummins, and this stuff did amazing at refinishing these trim pieces to make them look like it just rolled out of the factory. So it was super easy to follow the instructions from SEM on how to duplicate that finish, and super clear, very, very easy to follow, and we got amazing results. So we are super happy with this line of products and would definitely recommend this for the ease of use and of course the amazing results. And that's my point of view.